Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to download voice data using Wi-Fi only for Google Text-to-Speech on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to system. Here in system, go to language and input. Okay, tap this. In language and input, below you can see the other section. Here you can see the text-to-speech output. You'll have to do is tap the text-to-speech output. In text-to-speech output, you can see the preferred engine. And on the right side of this, you can see the gear icon. You'll have to do is tap the gear icon. Here in gear icon, you can see the use Wi-Fi only. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to download voice data using Wi-Fi only, you'll have to do is switch on this button on the right side. If this enable or turn on, download voice data using only Wi-Fi. This conserve data usage. And okay guys, so that's it. We have successfully set the download voice data using Wi-Fi only for Google Text-to-Speech on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.